Hi, I'm Joe, an account manager here at Technology Therapy Group, and today we're going to be discussing how low, medium, and high competition hashtags work on Instagram. First, let's establish what are hashtags. It's a word or a phrase that has a number sign in front of it. Hashtags are used on social platforms to categorize posts by topic. They play an important role because they help your posts get discovered by viewers who are most interested in seeing that content. Therefore, expanding your reach to users who are likely to engage in your posts. To view hashtags and their competitiveness, you'll need to log into your Instagram account and go to the search bar at the top of the page if you're on desktop, or click on the magnifying glass icon next to the home button icon if you're on a mobile phone. As an example, let's pretend we're running an Instagram account for a restaurant and we'd like to make a post about one of our entrees. We'll need to do some research about what hashtags to use. Let's start with what would be a high competition hashtag, which for the most part are very general words. Let's go with food. As you can see, the Instagram will show you the volume of each hashtag. This one has about 488 million posts. The benefit of using this high competition hashtag is that many people will use it. However, on the flip side, with that many other posts, it will be tough for yours to be seen. Next, we have medium competition hashtags, which is where we'll start to get a bit more specific. Let's see what we can find for chicken parm. As you can see, it has nearly 233,000 posts. Still high, but much more feasible and likely that users will engage with this post. Lastly, the low competition hashtags, which is where we'll be even more specific. Let's use a location-based hashtag. As you can see, this has a much lower total of only 11,000 posts. While this may not have the same volume as the high or even medium competition hashtags, the users who find this post come across it because it's exactly what they are searching for. All in all, each hashtag plays an important role in expanding your reach and creating engagement for your Instagram. I encourage you to do your research to determine what's right for your posts. Be sure that they are relevant and include a mix of low, medium, and high volume hashtags. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.